Today we are going to learn types of lines. In case of engine graphics, different kinds of lines are required for constructing lot many sketches. So line is the essential element. Without that line, you can't create any kind of sketches, any kind of drawing. Okay, so each and every line is carrying weightage. Okay, so accordingly, you should give the stress to that thing that wherever, as per its application, different kinds of lines are to be implemented. Otherwise, you are going to lose the statement marks. So, first of all, that what we have to do, just create one table, types of lines. Types of lines. For that, just go on following me. This table you have to create, or you have to create this table. Illustration. Techniques and its common application. Okay, so the title of the table is types of lines. Four columns I have created. You have to create the same. First is nothing but type of that typical particular line, specific line, then type of line. After that, how to illustrate, means how to construct that line. It will be shown in the second column, particular line carrying thickness in terms of millimeter and its application. Means for what purpose it is made of. It will be mentioned in the last one. Okay, so accordingly one by one we will start. First kind of line, type, its narration is continuous thick line. Continuous thick line. Okay, so how to construct that line? Just you have to hold the 0.5 mm clutch pencil, mechanical clutch pencil. So naturally, as its diameter is 0.5, we are going to get its thickness as 0.5. So hold the pencil in such a way that the axis of the lead should be normal to this grid bone. So accordingly, you have to construct this such kind of thick line. It should carry 0.5 mm thickness. Thickness of the line is 0.5 mm. For what purpose it is made of? It is made for to show the visible outline of any object of any simply visible outline. Okay, it should be dark enough. So such kind of dark line that is carrying, it is called as continuous thick line, should be used for showing visible outline of any object. Suppose this duster we have to construct. So all these corners, okay, should be shown by using such kind of thick line. So this is nothing but its application. Okay, this is all about the first kind of line, that is continuous thick line. One common application is visible outline. In order to show the visible outline of the object or any view, we should use that continuous thick line. Second one is continuous thin line. Continuous thin line. What kind of line? How to construct that line? Now, as we have written here, continuous thin line, it should be somewhat thinner compared to the earlier one. In this way, we should construct. So naturally, thickness, it may be 0.2 mm. Just by common sense only, we can judge the difference between these two. Okay, so nobody is going to measure it by using vernier or microscope, but still we can compare just by naked eyes that it is carrying 0.5 thickness, it may be carrying 0.2 or 0.2, 0.3 mm. It is faint, it is continuous thin line compared to this continuous thin line. Okay, it is carrying numerous applications. Which are those? I will just enlist here. Go on writing one by one. Okay, which are those? First one is construction line. All the construction lines should carry such kind of faint effect, that is thickness of 0.2 mm. Construction lines, projection lines. Projection lines. Okay. After that, extension line. Next, dimension line. Okay. After that, construction line, projection line, extension line, dimension line, leader line. Leader line. Different applications are there for these lines. One by one we will see later on. What do you mean by leader line? What do you mean by projection line? What do you mean by extension line? What do you mean by dimension line? What is meant by construction line? That we will see one by one. Right now just you have to end this. And last one is hatches or hatching. Hatches, etc. These very different numerous applications such kind of line is kept. Okay. This is all about continuous thin line. Next kind of line is continuous thin line we have seen, continuous thick line we have seen. Third kind of line is dashed medium thick line. Dashed medium thick line. Dashed medium thick line. So how to illustrate? Just go on constructing such kind of dash medium thick line. Just see. You have to create one chain. Small dash. Okay. Small space. Again small dash. Small space. Small dash. Small space. Likewise, go on. Continue. So this is line. This line is called as dash medium thick line. Dashes are used, not dots. It's not called as dotted line. It is dash medium thick line. Different kinds of dashes are used. Different length of each and every dash should be identical. Okay, the spaces should be identical. Okay, and this should be somewhat, we are stating it as it should carry 0.2 mm thickness. But while showing, while constructing the drawings, it should be dark. I am insisting it's dark effect instead of the thin effect. Okay, it should be visible to the assessor, examiner. Okay, it gives a very good look. For what purpose it is used? Dash medium thick line. Naturally, in order to show invisible, or we can say hidden edges, hidden corners, hidden holes, slots, etc. The thing which is not visible at a glance, it is hidden within the object itself, body itself. Such kind of corner or such kind of elements should be shown by using such kind of dashed and thick line. Okay. Invisible, hidden edges, corners, holes, slots, whatever it may be, which is not visible to the observer at a glance, but it is still inside that object. So such kind of things should be shown by using such kind of dashed and thick line. Okay. So this is all about dashed and thick line. Generally, usually, most commonly, though we are using dashes here, we are going to say it is a dotted line, but it is dashed and thick line. The next kind of line is continuous thin chain. Continuous thin chain. How to show it? Say continuous thin chain. So how to construct this line? Just see. We are written chain. Okay, continuous thin chain. The line should be thinner. Now see here how to show. Long dash, small space, again very small dash, again small space, again long dash, small space, small dash, small space, again long dash. So this is called as continuous thin chain. Long dash, small space, small dash, small space, again long dash, small space, small dash. It's not dot, it is a dash. Again small space, long dash. Okay, such kind of line is called as continuous thin chain. It is again carrying same kind of thickness 0.2 mm. Okay, this is used for showing center line of the object. Center line of the object or locus line. Locus line, center line and locus line. What do you mean by locus line? What do you mean by center line? We'll see. Okay. Continuous thin chain. Okay. Center line and locus line of the different elements of the different objects, mechanical elements, things. In those cases, we should use center line and locus line. This is all about continuous thin chain. Okay. These are all frequently, commonly, repeatedly required different kinds of lines. Very, very important lines we are going to learn, which are essential, okay, for the construction or for the entire engineering graphics syllabus. Engineering graphics, engineering drawing, whatever it may be the subject related to pencil and your geometrical instruments. These lines are carrying much more importance, significance. Okay, we should give this effect only for that particular application. Applications are mentioned here. Accordingly, as per that, those different applications, you should pick each and every different line for showing that particular effect. Okay. After that, fifth one. Continuous thin chain, just like this, but it is carrying continuous thin chain with thicker ends. Same kind of line, but all the extremities, both the extremities should be thicker compared to this. So how to construct? Let's see. Same kind of line you have to pick and place here, only edge should be thicker compared to this. So how to construct? Small dark dash, okay, thicker dash, we can say, thicker dash, small, thicker dash, small space, very small dash, small space, long dash, small space, small dash, small space, long dash, again go on continuing as per the available space, and after that how to conclude? again small space, small dash, small space, and right extreme thicker end. Okay, so this is continuous thin chain with thicker ends. So what is the thickness of line? 0.2 and 0.5 means both the extreme ends are carrying 0.5 thickness, and intermediate part in between these two extreme ends, that is continuous thin chain, should carry 0.5 thickness as earlier. Okay. So what is its application? It is used for showing cutting plane. Cutting plane, or it is also called as section plane, cutting plane, section plane. Okay, means any object we are going to cut. So through which line, through which space, through which element that cutting plane is passing, it should be shown by using such kind of. If the line is created, such kind of line is created on that object centrally, and what does it mean? What it predicts? One person, it will come with the hacksaw or any kind of saw, and that object, suppose such kind of line is drawn centrally here on this duster, then I am going to pick a saw, and in this way the line will be drawn here. Thicker ends will be here, thicker ends will be here. I will show you that one. What does it mean? What it reflects? Cutting plane, that is saw. I am going to pick the saw, and through that line, the cutting plane, that is the saw, will pass, and it will cut the object into two halves. Okay, front and rear half. In two pieces, it is going to cut that object. This is nothing but the significance of continuous thin chain with thicker ends, that is cutting plane line or section plane. And last one is continuous thin wavy wave. In Marathi we are calling it as taranga. Wave, lat. In Marathi we are saying it as lat, taranga. That is continuous thin wave, wavy. Okay. So how to illustrate that line? It's the last kind of line, frequently required lines. We are learning continuous thin wavy line. It's not wave, just you have to create one wave. Simply, yes, continuous thin smooth wave you have to create. Again, naturally, it is carrying 0.5 thickness. It is used for showing break line, short break line. We are a break line. In order to show the break line, such kind of continuous thin wavy. What is break line? That also we are going to learn after completion of this session. Okay, so different kinds of lines, right from continuous thick line, thin line, dash medium thick line, continuous thin chain with thicker ends, and continuous thin wavy. These are the different kinds of lines which are frequently, repeatedly required to be used as per its requirement, need. Okay, yes, these are the different applications. Just go on observing the table. Okay, type of the line, illustration, thickness, and application. These much lines are enough to fulfill the entire task which is required in case of engineering graphics. Okay, yes, nothing is required other than this. Yes, that will keep in mind. Continuous thick line to continuous thin wave. 6 different kinds of lines are there.